You know, there's a lot of hope bottled up in these tiny glass vials. Two versions of the COVID-19 vaccine are slowly but surely being distributed right now. And Colorado has given out nearly 95,000 doses so far, mostly to healthcare staff. Almost 12,000 in the last day alone. And in the next few weeks, Coloradans 70 and over can get their shots. As Gary Brode reports today, there are so many questions about how and where to get that precious vaccine.
Whether you're 70 plus or an essential worker, your time is now to get the vaccination. Keep in mind, this is a very fluid situation. Plans are still being laid out. But first and foremost, it's in your best interest to call your primary care physician. Each county, each hospital, each provider likely handling this a little bit differently. For hospitals, the vaccine will be given by appointment only, no walk-ins. I talked to representatives from most of the major hospitals in the state, and they tell me they'll be reaching out to you as early as next week through your clinic's website. If you don't have access to an account, again, give your doctor a call. And that's for anyone in the 1B phase. In the coming weeks, you should expect to see notices about vaccine signups at retail pharmacies like Walgreens and CVS. And we're still working to find out if house calls will be made for those who need the shot given at home. Now let's move on to when you can expect the shot. Some in 1B have already received it.
If you're over 70, you'll be able to get this within 4 to 5 weeks. We'll get through the whole group in 4 to 5 weeks.
For the 70 plus groups, Summit and Eagle County plan on giving shots next week, while Boulder County will lay out their phase 1B plan next week as well. The CDPHE said it is coordinating with local public health agencies, healthcare providers, pharmacies, and diverse community partners. For the essential workers, if your job is on this list, keep in touch with your boss or your HR director. The state is planning to schedule vaccination dates with employers and facilities who will pass the word on to you. For Denver 7, I'm Gary Brode.
Gary, thank you.